Viking invasions of Ireland. The first raids recorded would involve the island of Lamb Bay and other areas. They would be followed by a disruption in the normal life of the Irish, but could be considered as relatively small scale. They would occur during the Viking Age, which would come to occupy the years of 793 to 1066 AD. The second waves that would follow in 821 AD after the first raids would be more associated with the placement of encampments which enjoyed a level of fortification. Now the invaders would choose to stay over in Ireland instead of returning to Scandinavia, and their attacks were deeper inland going forward, at times moving in large parties. Towns like Glendalough and Slane would be targeted, and these would be larger. The invasions would see possible individuals like Thorgest amongst others. Olaf would emerge at a point in history and rise to the role of leader. In the videos we will explore issues like the interaction between the invading Vikings and the resident Irish communities, exploring the issues of trade and cultural exchange between the two sets of people. We will also explore the events and circumstances that surrounded the intermarriages between the two groups and some of the sequelae that would come from it, and the impact on society moving forward. And also try to understand what would drive the initial invasions, whether it was the conditions at home, the drive for resources, or a push to explore and see the world. And further discover the protagonists of the invasions and look at the events surrounding the invasions from their perspective, as well as the long-term impacts of the invasions on the political and cultural landscape of the region. Thank you for watching this introductory video on a series that will follow the events that surrounded the invasions of the Vikings. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like, subscribe and share. See you in the next set of videos.